You will not buy bread anymore if only you can follow this process. Today I share with you how to make a professional bread step by step. To begin, you are going to be needing instant dry yeast. The center, you are going to be needing sugar. Then add in warm water. Whisk together. You have to whisk that until this yeast get ferment for just 2 minutes covered. 2 minutes later, it has fermented at this point. All you got to do is to whisk together. Next, you are going to be adding vegetable oil. Then add in 2 cups of flour. First, I will add just one and stream the flour in case I have any stone or dirty. Then add in the second cup and whisk again. This streaming process is very important so that your bread will still have that fluffy and nice outcome. Add in salt to taste and keep on mixing. I just take the spatula to first of all get the batter mixed. Then all I do is to bring out the spatula and use my hand to get that mix. At this point, you will not add in any water. You will not add any other ingredient at this point. All you got to do is to bring that to the wall surface, add in a little bit of flour, then bring out the batter and keep on mixing. Beating this your batter is very important. That will enable your bread to come out very well after everything. I will just keep on mixing. I'm not adding any other ingredients. Just keep on mixing. After I've mixed that, look at what I have. It was so nice. What I add now is melted butter. I will use it to grease the bowl and then transfer the butter inside the bowl. Then I'm going to cover that for just 10 minutes. I will just cover that to get rest for 10 minutes. So 10 minutes of covering, I will just bring it back. This is what I have after 10 minutes. This covering process is just for me to get the batter dissolved before I work on it. At this point, the batter have dissolved and it's ready for me to work on. You can see how nice and soft it look at this point. What I do now is to divide that into 4 sides because I'm going to work in with 4 shape. Then I tie that with both sides, then take one of it and fold it like this. So see how I get it fold. I will just take one, just use my roller to just roll a little bit, then cover it like this. It was just so simple, guys. Just follow my hand, then cover like this. Then after covering it, just use your hand to seal that center, and then what you do now is to just roll it from here. See how I get that roll? You see that? This is just so simple. You can easily get this done by yourself. So I still seal it, then transfer that inside the pan and then cover that for 15 minutes to get doubled. 15 minutes later, this is what I have. At this point, it has doubled. All I do now is to use egg white. I'm not making the use of the egg yolk, just the egg white to grease it, then transfer that inside the oven to bake for 50 to 40 minutes. Now that I'm done baking the bread, look at that. It baked so nice. It was so amazing. Just imagine this bread, guys. When you get this done by yourself, your kids, everyone around you is going to appreciate you. It scents so nice. Just look at this bread. Look at this shape. Only 1 piece of this bread is going to make your day. It was so delicious and easy to get done. So guys, share this video, follow this process. If you don't know how to make bread before now, this is time for you to know how to make bread for your family. Try how to make bread for your family because it's going to help you a lot. Not every time you go shop to buy bread. Nothing to compare fresh bread. Like this is called fresh bread. You get it done by yourself. So try to share this video and get this done by yourself. You are going to love it. I love you guys in my next one. Look at bread now. Just get better tea for your side. Use this one to chop up. Your today business is complete. Anyway, guys, this is the end of this video. Share and see you guys in my next one. Bye.